Have you ever chopped up an onion and tossed it into a dish without thinking twice? Just another tear-inducing veggie, right? Well, what if I told you that humble little onion might be doing something powerful inside your body, something that could change your health in ways you never expected? That simple bulb in your kitchen could be impacting your heart, your energy, even your appearance, and most people have no idea. Most folks think of onions as flavor boosters. But when eaten raw, they don't just spice up your meals, they activate real, physical changes inside your body. We're talking about a vegetable that's been in kitchens for centuries, yet it holds benefits few people actually understand. In today's video, we're diving into what happens when you eat raw onion every single day, and why this one small habit could have a big impact, especially if you're over 60. We'll break down how raw onions can protect your eyes, boost testosterone, lower cholesterol, strengthen your hair, smooth out your skin, and even help you sleep better. I'll show you how to pick the right type of onion, how to prepare it, and the best ways to add it to your meals without overpowering the flavor. Some of these benefits are backed by research most people have never even heard of, and a few might surprise your doctor too. So, stay with me, because if you're looking for an easy, natural way to support your health as you age, this might be one of the simplest changes you can make. Before we jump in, could you do me a quick favor? If you're enjoying this kind of content, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a quick yes in the comments so I know you're here and ready to learn. Don't forget to watch through to the end and share this video with friends or family who care about their health. I've got plenty more videos coming your way, so be sure to check those out too. Let's start with one of the most surprising benefits, eye health. As we get older, our eyes tend to get dry, irritated, and more prone to infections. Tear production slows down, and that gritty, uncomfortable feeling becomes way too common. But raw onions? They might help more than you think. Here's why. Raw onions are loaded with sulfur-containing compounds like cysteine sulfoxides. These are the same compounds that make your eyes water when you chop them, and they also support the natural production of tears. That means less dryness and better eye lubrication over time. And that's not all. Raw onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant and natural anti-inflammatory that helps your body fight off harmful bacteria, including the kind that can cause eye infections. It also helps protect the delicate tissues in your eyes from oxidative stress. A 2016 study published in Nutrients showed that quercetin and other onion-based flavonoids strengthen the immune system, especially in mucous membranes like your eyes, nose, and mouth. Plus, the sulfur and selenium in onions help your body produce glutathione, an antioxidant that shields your lenses from damage, like cataracts. So while most people think of carrots when it comes to vision, don't count out raw onions. Just a little bit in your daily diet could help protect your eyes from dryness, inflammation, and age-related problems. Now, let's talk to the fellas out there, because raw onions can do more than clear your sinuses. As men age, testosterone levels naturally start to dip. That can mean less energy, lower libido, weaker muscles, and even mood swings. But studies are showing that raw onions might help support healthy testosterone production. How? Well, raw onions contain sulfur, antioxidants, and flavonoids like quercetin, all of which help reduce oxidative stress in the testes, the glands responsible for making testosterone. There's a 2012 study in biomolecules that looked at male rats fed raw onion juice. The results? Their testosterone levels went up, sperm counts improved, and their overall fertility got a boost. Scientists believe the antioxidants in onions protect Leydig cells, the exact cells that produce testosterone. Onions also help the body produce more nitric oxide, which boosts blood flow, not just to the heart, but everywhere it counts. That's important for older men dealing with performance issues. On top of all that, onions help stabilize blood sugar, and high blood sugar is one of the sneaky culprits behind low testosterone. So when you eat raw onions, you're supporting a healthier metabolism and hormonal balance at the same time. It's a simple, natural way to fight back against the aging process and keep your body working the way it should. Heart health is one of the biggest concerns after 60, and here again, raw onions can play a surprising role. They're loaded with quercetin, which research has shown helps lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that clogs up your arteries. At the same time, quercetin can raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind that keeps blood flowing smoothly. In 2015, a study in nutrition found that people taking quercetin supplements had significantly lower LDL and blood pressure levels, two of the biggest heart disease risk factors. And raw onions are one of the richest natural sources of quercetin you can find. But that's not all. Onions also have sulfur compounds that act as natural blood thinners. These help reduce the risk of blood clots, improve circulation, and lower your chances of heart attacks and strokes. Plus, they support nitric oxide production, which relaxes your blood vessels and reduces arterial stiffness, another major issue as we age. Raw onions also lower chronic inflammation, which is now considered one of the biggest contributors to heart disease. So whether you toss a few slices into your salad or add them to a sandwich, you're doing your heart a big favor, without needing a prescription. Now here's one you might not expect: raw onions can actually help you sleep better and feel less stressed. And it all starts in your gut. Raw onions are a natural source of prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your digestive system. These little microbes don't just help with digestion. They also influence how your brain works through something called the gut-brain axis. When your gut is balanced and healthy, it helps your body produce more serotonin, the feel-good hormone that keeps your mood stable. Serotonin also helps your body make melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep cycle. In 2015, a study in Frontiers in Behavioral Neuroscience found that rodents fed prebiotics experienced better sleep and responded more calmly to stress. Their REM and non-REM sleep phases improved, both crucial for restorative rest. On top of that, raw onions contain quercetin, which helps lower inflammation and reduce oxidative stress, two major culprits behind sleep problems and mood swings. So if you're tossing and turning at night or feeling anxious during the day, adding a little raw onion to your meals might help your body relax naturally. It's a tiny habit with a big payoff for mental clarity and emotional well-being. Managing blood sugar becomes more important with age, especially for folks dealing with diabetes or prediabetes. And here's where raw onions can step in again as a simple, natural ally. They're rich in allopropyl disulfide, a sulfur compound that helps lower blood sugar by improving how your body uses insulin. Plus, onions are loaded with chromium and quercetin, both of which increase insulin sensitivity and help your cells absorb glucose more efficiently. A 2009 study in Environmental Health Insights found that diabetic patients who consumed raw onions saw a significant drop in fasting blood glucose levels. That's a big deal. On top of that, the prebiotics in onion support gut health, and your gut plays a major role in how your body regulates insulin. A healthy microbiome helps stabilize blood sugar and reduces inflammation that damages the pancreas. Best of all, onions have a low glycemic index, so they won't spike your blood sugar like refined carbs do. They work in harmony with your body to keep your glucose levels steady throughout the day. Your immune system naturally weakens with age, but raw onions can help keep it strong. They're packed with immune-boosting compounds like quercetin, vitamin C, and sulfur, all of which help your body fight off illness. Quercetin is especially powerful. It helps regulate immune response, reduces histamine reactions, and fights inflammation. A 2016 review in Nutrients showed that it can even stop viruses from replicating and boost the function of macrophages and natural killer (NK) cells, your body's frontline defense. Raw onions also contain allicin, a natural antimicrobial that breaks down the protective layers of bacteria and viruses, helping your body destroy them before they spread. And since 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, those prebiotics in onions also give your immunity an extra boost. So by eating raw onions, you're not just flavoring your food, you're giving your body tools to stay strong, especially during cold and flu season. Losing belly fat gets harder as we get older, but raw onions can help here too. One of the reasons is quercetin. Studies have shown that this antioxidant helps break down fat, prevent the formation of new fat cells, and reduce the inflammation that leads to stubborn weight gain, especially around the midsection. A 2014 study in Food and Function found that quercetin helped subjects lose weight and reduce fat accumulation. The antioxidant also improved fat metabolism and increased energy use. Raw onions are also high in soluble fiber and prebiotics, which help you feel full longer. That means fewer cravings and better appetite control. Combined with blood sugar regulation, this makes raw onions a great support for long-term, healthy weight management, without extreme diets. Digestive issues like gas, bloating, and constipation become more common with age, but raw onions offer real relief. They're rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A 2018 study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that inulin boosted the growth of bifidobacteria, improving digestion and reducing discomfort. Onions also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and bile, helping your body break down fats and proteins more effectively. That means fewer upset stomachs and better nutrient absorption. A healthy gut also supports your mood, hormones, and immune system. It's all connected, and raw onions can help keep that entire system running smoothly. Let's talk about something serious: cancer prevention. As we age, our risk goes up. But raw onions may help lower that risk. They're packed with quercetin and organosulfur compounds like allyl sulfides, which support detoxification and protect against cell mutations. These compounds neutralize carcinogens before they can cause damage. A major 2019 study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Oncology found that people who regularly ate onions had a significantly lower risk of colorectal and stomach cancers. And with onions supporting your gut, detox systems, and immune surveillance, they're working behind the scenes to help protect your body from the inside out. Now that you know why raw onions are so powerful, let's make sure you're using them right. Red onions are your best bet. They have the highest amount of quercetin, anthocyanins, and antioxidants. Onion water: soak thinly sliced red onions in water for 6 hours. Then drink it. It's great for digestion and hydration. Onion juice: blend and strain raw onion. Take a tablespoon daily or apply it to your scalp or skin. Salads: slice raw onion thin and toss into your salad every day. Onion with honey: mix chopped onion with raw honey and let it sit. It's an old remedy that's great for coughs and sore throats. Onion under your feet: sounds odd, but placing onion slices in your socks overnight is believed to pull toxins from your body while you sleep. Pick what works for you, and stay consistent. Who would have guessed that something so simple could be so powerful? From sharper vision and deeper sleep to stronger immunity, better blood sugar, and even smoother skin, raw onions are one of nature's most underrated health boosters. The best part? You don't need pills, powders, or expensive treatments. Just a few slices a day, on your plate or in your glass, can go a long way toward supporting your health as you age. Now it's your turn. Have you been eating raw onions regularly? Or is this your first time learning about their benefits? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about, especially if they're over 50 and looking for natural ways to stay strong and vibrant. Thank you for being here with us. We've handpicked 2 more videos just for you. Click on one and continue your journey to better health. See you there.